Things My Patients Taught Me, a nurse's lessons from the bedside. Written by Nurse Krypton. They told me I'd go into nursing to give, to offer comfort, skills, strength. But no one warned me how much I would receive. Because somewhere between IV drips and whispered goodbyes, I became a student and my patients, my teachers. A 6-year-old with cancer taught me how to laugh while hurting. She wore her bald head like a crown. And when I asked how she stayed so strong, she said, "I pretend I'm winning." And suddenly, so did I. A woman in her 80s, skin like paper, eyes like worn novels, taught me how to leave with grace. She chose her final outfit, red lipstick, pearl earrings, as if heaven deserved her best. And in her last breath, she whispered, "Tell my daughter I danced yesterday." And just like that, I learned that dignity can outlive a diagnosis. A man with Alzheimer's forgot his name, but never forgot how to smile. Every morning, he introduced himself like we were old friends, and every morning, he taught me to greet life like it's brand new. "Isn't this a beautiful day?" he'd ask. It was raining, but suddenly, it was. There was the teen who overdosed, a soul tangled in silence. But when I asked him why he came in, he said, "Because I realized someone might care." I looked at him and realized that someone was me. I came to this profession thinking I'd be the one doing the saving, the fixing, the holding. But every shift, they held a mirror to my humanity. I learned that healing is not always curing, that presence is sometimes the most potent medicine, that silence, when shared, becomes sacred. These patients didn't just pass through my care, they carved themselves into my soul, their stories stitched into my scrubs, their lessons pulsing through my stethoscope. So yes, I know how to read labs. Yes, I can manage pain. But more than anything, I've learned how to stay, how to feel, how to listen, how to live, because the ones we call patients have been the greatest teachers of all.